Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Ulrich's Maker's Corner. So I want to show you today what I have here, so my setup, and as you can hear it, printing is going on, and I'm not stopping it for the video because I'm printing a lot of masks. Probably in the future I'm also gonna print very soon face shield holders, and yeah, let's do a swap to the place here, and go in detail what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and also what I want to show you is that 3D printing is not always that easy how it looks like. It's always about settings and all the stuff like that. Let's dive into it. I'm gonna switch it. So, as I mentioned, this is the mess. You can see a lot of stuff hanging around. There we have the mask, a lot of failed prints. I tried different materials, and under the table there's a box full of crap and scrap material, but I'm reusing it. So first talk about the printers. What we see here is the Monoprice Ultimate, pretty dirty. It's now printing a new kind of a mask, which has no front cover, and the filter has just one frame. I'm pretty sure that that's gonna be a pretty good solution, because the problem with those covers is that they sometimes don't fit to the mask. So wait a second, I'm gonna show you the finished mask. We're gonna go over the stuff. You see here a lot of tools, and here you see this is my mask which I'm wearing. It is a PTU mask, also printed by me, because I'm doing some kind of preheating up and then gluing it together. And okay, let's talk about this guy. This is also a Monoprice. I don't know why I'm ending up on Monoprice, but I love those things. And this is the Delta, also messy, running like 2 weeks, and sometimes I would say the first layers are pretty bad. Even this model has a auto base leveling, but yeah, we're gonna see how this ends up. So as we see here, there's a bunch of crap going on sometimes, and yeah, sorry for the mess. That's how it is. So, and let's go to this box. I'm gonna pick it up. So this is the current box with a bunch of already assembled and cleaned, I hope I didn't forget anything, cleaned masks. And first what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the bad ones, the very bad ones. And yeah, this is one which is not looking that bad from this side. So the print is smooth, everything is fine. We have the inside coverage, but if we go to the outside, it's gonna start to be messy. So as I said, the problem I had, and I ended up, because of the small size, so this is kit size, it's like 110 millimeters, also depending on this guy, that's the maximum size you can print, that the covers are too wobbly, and so they're not fitting perfectly to the mask himself, and they come off. So I ended up with, which you can see it here, I just melted it together, kind of welding, PLA welding, and yeah, I tried something something art-like and putting some funny things on, so some scrap I have on this. I think just this side is a little bit very messy, but however, it is a mask, and since I welded the front side, you have to unplug for changing the filter, the inner cover, or whatever it is. So this is the baddest one, and the next one is this. Same inside, so the inside is always pretty good, but on the outside, oh my god, it's I'm not very proud of that, but it is sticking together. Probably we could do like a coloring or something like that, but it's more like experimental testing, what you can do with those materials. And yeah, so I put it inside. What did I see? A inside cover to the outside. This is how it ended up, and also some. This is PETG melted to have some kind of funny looking, you know. Okay, like I said, those guys are pretty worst. I'm not proud of them, but experimental and fine. Now we're gonna go to something what is more showable, which is still, as I see it, not 100% cleaned up, so I need another smoothing, but it is the same mask, and as you can see from the front, it looks like the mask should look, huh? And the trick with that ones or those was that I bought what is it, like a hand printing tool, which I'm gonna show you after that. And so I printed it together, kind of gluing it, and it's okay. I guess if you want to rip it off, you can rip it off, yeah. But it is still, you know, it is still plastic, so you can destroy it if you want. But it is working for the desired jobs. So there we have more of them. Different kind of techniques I tried. Sometimes a little bit more messy than the other one, and I guess this was the first one. But like I said, this is our ending ending series. I did like 15 of those, and I already started to print those ones with just having the small inside filter without the outside cover. But you know, I don't like to have all this scrap and all this mess having around, so I'm gonna recycle that and put it just on the mask himself. And the last mask is this one, which is a normal size mask. This is not glued, so this can be separated. And what is the interesting part about that? It is not cleaned up completely. The interesting part about that, this is PETG mixed with TPU, so the stuff here is flexible, so you can press that. Yeah, you have to be careful because that was the problem with the printing himself. It will be separate on the edge. So if you apply a nut enough amount of pressure, it will be separated. But basically, if you use it like it is intended, just put it on your face and not doing any, I don't know what, extreme sports, and maybe like a boxing fight, it will stick. And the good thing is, like it is intended, let me pull it down. You can pull this off, you know, and put it back together. So this was awesome. This was a print. If you look there, you know, looks not bad. Which was made on the Ultimate. Yeah. Let's put it back. And to make a comparison, let's look at those front sides. So as I said, the first layer of the small one of the Delta is always kind of messy. So we have always some corners, depending on the orientation of the print, which are pretty bad. So this is not so bad for this example. Let me check. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a totally mess, you know. Normally we would throw something like this away, but I'm gonna recycle that and put just like I said, glue just a cover on it, and then everything is fine. It is usable. It is cleanable. You know, PLA you can heat up with to whatever sterilization is needed, like 100, 120 degrees, and it will stay good. And what else? Yeah, probably you're interested in the tool I'm using. The tool I'm using here for gluing those masks together is the 3D Doodler Create, and this guy is hanging around here currently. It is like a mini 3D printer. Currently it is connected to the cable, and you have like two different come on, focus, yeah. So two different modes. One is fast, the other one is slow. For the transportation of the filament. Oops. Yeah, the second tool I'm using is a soldering iron. Nothing special. Just got it from Amazon. Switched the tip, so we have something more flat. And yeah, that's how I'm doing my masks. And yeah, I can watch that the whole day, you know. It's so amazing what is going on here. Yeah, a little bit of mess. I don't know what it is. After a while, I have always a little bit of a mess around the nozzle. Probably it's now depending, because I I was working with the PETG, and it seems like that the hose inside is melted. So probably I love this guy. I love this guy so much. This guy is so amazing, even if it is producing currently a little bit of too much crap, but this is a stackable print, so this print is stacked to what was it, like 5 layers or something like that, 5 parts. So I would say I'm assuming that the first layer will be totally trash, and then we go on to the second part. It will be fine. So it is a calculated risk. And yeah, this is my small small area which I'm working with. That's basically a kitchen table, you know, guys. And yeah, mess, everything mess. So here we have different kind of knives, blades for cleaning up. You know, you have to clean up the 3D print. It is not always coming totally super cool out. So let's check those guys. Oh, those are very much pretty good, way better. And like I said, just the filter holder from inside, and everything is fine. That will be amazing. So I'm gonna keep you updated when I'm done with those guys, and I hope, yeah, you enjoyed that episode. We're gonna see each other next time on this channel or on the TG channel. See you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like that kind of stuff, make a thumb up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video.